Stop losing money and avoid these common stock market blunders. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Sanjeev Kumar, your stock market mentor. If you are a beginner or even if you have been investing for a while, this video is for you. Today, I am going to deep dive in 10 common mistakes which people make in stock market, and most importantly, we need to avoid these mistakes. For that, I'm sharing my presentation file and you will get the clarification. Yeah. First mistake, not doing proper research. Investing based on tips without verifying facts. Usually, we see that if we uh, somewhere like in a news channel or in Telegram channel or YouTube channel, when somewhere is suggesting that this stocks is good and this go stocks is going to move and you will get a big return, huge return, we immediately jump. This is a blunder. We should not do this. Failing to study the company's fundamental, we generally avoid fundamental analysis. Ignoring market trends and industry performance, we need to analyze the industry as well as market trend. Then we jump. So this is the first mistake. Second is trying to time the market, attempting to predict market highs and lows, missing out on long-term growth opportunities. Third, reacting emotionally to short-term market movements. Usually, we think that this is not the perfect time to invest, so we avoid that time. And so, instead of thinking like this, we should think that we should give time to the market. We should not focus on the timing of the market because it is very difficult to make money in a short term. So you need to give the time. Lack of diversification. This is the third mistake. Investing heavily in one or two stocks. This is common mistake. Failing to spread investment across sector. Ignoring the role of diversification in reducing risk. Generally, we see that people invest huge money in one or two stocks. This is blunder. They think that this share is giving big profit, so then generally they put uh, higher money. So we should focus on diversification, and we should invest in at least five different sectors. Fourth one is ignoring risk appetite, taking risks that don't match your financial capacity. At first, we should understand what is our risk capacity. Investing aggressively without essential personal comfort level. We should not forget about our personal comfort level. Neglecting to create a balanced portfolio. So risk, we should understand the risk, and before buying any share, it should be clear that how much risk I am going to take. If you are jumping at 100 rupees share price, in during that time you should note down that when share price will go 10% down or 20% down or 30% down, I will sell. It should be written in your notepad. Fifth, over trading. Generally, we see that buying and selling stocks frequently to chase quick gain. This is the big mistakes. So you cannot make money on buying or selling frequently. You can only make money on the holding of your share, incurring high transaction costs that reduce profit. Because when you buy, sell again and again frequently, definitely you need to pay the service charges, brokerage charges. So it will impact your profit. Making emotional decision instead of following a strategy. We must have our own strategy and we should follow the system. We should surrender ourselves to the system. We should avoid mistake depends upon the emotion. Sixth mistake, not having a clear goal. Generally, we see that people don't have any goal where they want to reach. So there must be some financial goal, financial objective. And failing to align investment with short term or long term needs. So we should plan about long term goal, short term goal, then we should invest. Making random decision without a purpose. Without purpose, we usually jump in market and some in some correction we usually sell. So this is not the proper way. Seventh mistake, ignoring financial statement, overlooking important. We usually avoid financial data of the companies, but it is crucial. Failing to analyze revenue, profit, and date. At least we should see the date of the company, profit and loss statement. We must read revenue. What is the revenue? What is the sales? Balance sheet. We at first we should understand this thing. Then we should buy the share. Making decision without understanding the company's health. Company is fundamentally strong or not, we should understand, then we should buy the share. Chasing high returns. Prioritize quick profit over stable growth. Investing in speculative stocks without research and ignoring the risk associated with high returns. So there is, you should calculate risk and reward formula. If you are going to take 10% risk or 20% risk, then what is the expectation? What, how much that share can give you profit? So it should be clear. And but we usually avoid this thing. And the biggest mistake what we do, we buy penny stocks. So it's better to choose stable company, fundamentally strong company. Ninth, ignoring emergency fund. We should never, ever make this mistake. Investing all savings, even emergency fund, invest in a stock market. Facing financial stress during unexpected situation. If you have invested your emergency fund in the stock market and market is in downtrend, and your portfolio is showing negative return, and if suddenly you need some fund, some emergency fund is required, then how will you manage? It will give you big stress. Overlooking the importance of liquidity in financial planning. So liquidity is very important. We must have emergency fund. Last not the least, lack of patience. Expecting quick results from stock market investment. Anyone is saying quick, it means that person is cheating you. You should keep away yourself from that kind of person who is providing anything quick. So quick is not possible. You need to wait, because in stock market you can make money in long term only. Reacting impulsively to market fluctuation and failing to stay invested for long term growth. Yeah, so you need to invest it, you need to keep invested for long term. So these are the common mistakes we usually do. So we must avoid at least these 10 mistakes. what we need to do, it is important, but these avoiding these common mistakes are more important. So we must avoid these mistakes. I hope you like my today's video. So please press the like button and comment. My comment, you can share how much mistakes you usually do. If you do one mistake, you can type one. If you do five mistakes, you can type five. And if you have not subscribed my channel as of now, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video.